Hello everybody, this is King Tut here, and welcome to your long-awaited dive-in video. Now in this video, we're going to take a look at Internet Archive. And the reason I picked Internet Archive is because some publishing company filed a lawsuit against the Internet Archive, and they won against it. So the federal judge ruled against the Internet Archive, saying it's violated copyright laws or something like that in terms of borrowing a book. I mean, this is from The Verge, and I actually don't know what's going. Like, even reading it, I still have no idea what's going on. But it has to do with like Internet Archive violating copyright laws according to them, and Internet Archive is appealing to this case, and it needs its support. So I'm actually showing its support, and what's better to show support other than doing a dive-in video for it. So that's what we're gonna do. So I've been to Internet Archive, and personally, it's a magical place. I've been trying to find a website that has been a magical place. I mean, Twitter, Facebook, all of these social media sites. Yeah, they were once magical place, and then long and gone, it just becomes more of like everybody hollering at each other. Oh man, it's a toxic place. Let's just say that. But Internet Archives, on the other hand, it just gives you like public record, like old records, even old softwares you could download, which, man, it feels nostalgic. It gives you some sense of nostalgia, and you want to explore more of it. You want to go down to this rabbit hole, and it's worth going down this rabbit hole because you'll learn some stuff along the way. So also, they have the Wayback Machine. So if you want to look at, say, Google way back then, you could type in google.com and basically pick the date for it, and it just shows you the website, what it looks like. And you could actually make use of the website, I think. I mean, I played around with it a little bit. So let's do Google. Google.com, Wayback Machine. And it's gonna show me different calendar, and you see here, I think, yeah, that's the amount of pages that that website have saved at a certain date and certain years. So there's not much in the early 2000s, but in the 2010s, things picked up and it just became very high, and it still kept that pace even until today. So let's say I want to do 2001. And let's do January 19th. And I don't know, what's 1809? Like 6 o'clock GMT? And you get this website, this web page, 2001, January 9th, at 18 GMT, which, I'm trying to think, 18 GMT, I think 6 o'clock, yeah. So let's search for video game. Oh, it haven't archived URL. That's unfortunate. Let's go back. Let's look for, I don't know, stuff. Oh, they have stuff. How stuff works. Oh, wait. Really? Let's look at that one. How stuff works. Oh, they don't have that page. That's fine. But I did not know they have that thing. I remember they have web, images, videos, news, shopping. I know Google News is still a thing, and even Google Shopping. They also call it Frugal as well. Um, so that's pretty cool. Let's go to images, and they don't have archived URL. So that's the limitation of the Wayback Machine. Um, let's think about what other Wayback Machine place website that I could go back in time. Let's do Wikipedia. Anything? Well, let's see when they did it. So 2001, not much. I'm actually curious about 2001. What month did it actually kickstart? Oh, July 27 at 11:28 GMT. All right. Oh, wow, that looks like a mess. To astronomy, astrophysics. And it's loading. Loading. Oh, it's not. Oh, wow. Bomis.com. Interesting. Okay, let's do Wikipedia 2005. Where things begin to pick up. February 7, 3:44 in the morning. GMT. Ah, that's the Wikipedia that we all know and love. It looks like this. I'm gonna pick English as a language. And let's see. And it still looks the same. Right now, it still looks the same-ish. It's subtle. Very, very subtle change. I mean, I like where it's like very old school, retro kind of thing. So let's search for, I don't know, Goldfinch? Or did I? No, it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be Goldfinch. It's one word. Okay, so it's not. This page is available on the web. Okay. Probably never mind. It's not available, but I have no idea what it means by oh it's available. But it's not available. Yeah, it has not archived that URL. That's fine. Trying to think of other places. UBL. What's this? Feed magazine? What's this? Oh, interesting. That's an old website. Has flashback. I'm not sure. Are these like old English? Is this? It looks disturbing. I'm not gonna go down that hole. Okay, let's go back. Okay. Oh, Yahoo. Let's look at Yahoo way back when. Still loading. Arts and humanities. I don't know why I picked that artist. What's collective commercial art? Let's look at commercial artist. No idea what that is. Calligraphy? Oh, wow. Names that I never even know is named. Do Bell Jill. Or Jill Bell. Oh, they even have a website. Wait, do they still exist? Art.net. Oh, snap. It still exists. I mean, probably. I mean, not like this. But wow. Uh, what's east? I have no idea. Oh, probably they meant. Oh, okay. I thought it's. Oh no, it's a different language. They have like Japanese. They have Where's Chinese? I forgot what this is. I think it might be Thai. Thai. Might be wrong. Let me know in the comments below. And these are English words in calligraphy. Also English words. No idea what this is. It's pretty interesting. And let's look at this one. Artist Studios. Animation artist. Oh wow, that's really good. I'm learning a thing or two. All thanks to archive. So if you want to explore and surf the web, actually surf the web, you have the Internet Archives to go to. All right, that's enough for the Wayback Art Machine. So archive.org, that's the website if you want to go to the Internet Archive. And let's look at this. So you have the search bar looking for whatever old stuff you want to look at. So if you're an adult and you want to look at Rita Rabbit for nostalgia, go ahead, do it. Yes, I remember as a kid I have used Rita Rabbit, and it's a ton of fun. Yep, I'll never forget them. Or if you're using Windows 11 and you want to say you want to look at encyclopedia without Wikipedia, you want to look at Microsoft Encarta, you could search that up as well. And there's different versions of Encarta. You want to go for Encarta 98, Encarta 97, 95, 2000, in I think Spanish? I might be wrong. In a different language. In Espanol. Yep. There's Encarta in German. A lot of versions and different languages, which is cool. Die große Encarta Encyclopédie. I think that's how it's pronounced. And there's French version of Microsoft Encarta. And this is 2009 version. But you could go on the internet and actually type in encarta.msn.com, and that's like way back when. I don't know if it still exists. Encarta.msn.com. I think it should exist. If not, then probably it's dead. Probably Microsoft killed it in favor for Wikipedia. Okay, it's still loading. Yeah, I think it's dead. Alright. If you want to explore old operating system, you could put Windows 98. Because that's what I used way back when, as a kid. And they are published by Microsoft. There is Windows 98 second edition, I think. Yeah, it's second edition. There's Windows 98. Wait, NES? Wait, that's a thing? I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. And there's ISOs. You use that on your virtual machine. Say VirtualBox or the likes. Alright. Well, let's do Linux. Let's say I want to do Linux. They have Arch Linux. Most of it is saturated with Arch Linux. There's Linux book in Arabic. There is... Mostly it's Arch Linux. Oh, let's make it specific. Let's do Mepis. Mepis Linux. That's the first Linux I looked at. That's OpenBSD. That's not Linux. It's a operating system of itself. I think it uses the same kernel. I might be wrong. Interesting. Let's do Mepis. I'm pretty sure they have Mepis. They have Mepis. There is no way. Really? I remember I used Mep. I remember making use of Linux. Mepis. I mean, Mepis like discontinued. It became simply Mepis, and then that also discontinued and became Antix or Anti-X and MX, which MX became the um most popular Linux distribution ever, according to Distro Watch. It might lose its popularity, maybe. No, it's still popular. It's still ranked #1 distribution. And second one is Endeavor OS. Okay. Well, maybe not Linux if you're a fan of Apple. Mac OS X or OS actually. Let's do OS. There's OS 9.1. There's OS X, and you could download the ISO and you could play it around in VirtualBox and the like. So, whatever old operating system you want, you could find it. Don't care about operating system? Well, and you still want to surf Internet Archive, but you don't know what to find? Well, there's different like categories. Or you go over here and look at top collections, American libraries, audiobooks and poetry, additional collection, free audiobook. I remember listening to audiobook as a kid, but it's on VHS. No, it's not VHS, it's cassette. Good times. There's arts and music. I have no idea what Electric Sheep is. Spirituality and religion, television, digital library, television archive, community, like more spirituality stuff and religious stuff, European library, podcasts. Do you know it's still a thing? Was it a thing back then? Creepypasta. That's funny. Called creepypasta. Let's look at where can I find it? I mean, oh wow, this is like podcasts that were released 2023. Today I learned. Oh no, I don't care about that. I want to find interesting. Where? They have Sunset Cast, Tom and Jerry. All right, so I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna come back to podcast. I'm probably not. There's movies. Let's see what movies they are. Cinemocracy. Oh, I just want to know. Okay, take me to. Okay, there's no date. Interesting. They have moving images. Interesting. I just want movies. I didn't know they have forums. That's cool. Dead. Didn't you hear? 1971. Frankenstein's Daughter. Okay, so what's 35mm stock footage? Oh wow, like very old movies, like 1930s. So that's pretty cool. I did not know that. Wow. Wait, is this like a colored? Oh man, this is so cool. And all of this, they look very realistic. Actually, they are realistic, but I'm pretty sure they're in black and white. Most of it is black and white, and sometimes like tainted color. What is this? Okay, so let's turn it down. Oh wow, what is this place? It's not telling me anything. Wait, what is, did they say anything about it? No, they didn't say anything about it. It says Market Street. What what is this? Is this New York City? That doesn't look like New York City. No way. Is it New York City? I mean, I wouldn't be surprised. I mean, they have old bus, and then they have this kind of car, which lacks safety feature, and the trolley. Trolley is a thing. I mean, there's still trolleys today, but not that fancy. And then they have like very high rises. Oh man, let's skip. I'm sorry, I have to skip. There's more trolleys. Alright, I'm not gonna spend too much time on this. I'm gonna actually... What is this place? No, I know it's not. Pretty sure it's not New York City. It looks like... might have been Montreal. Maybe I'm wrong. Then they have this island here. Maybe it might be New York City. Maybe I'm wrong. There's no way. No, okay. Let's go back. That's pretty cool. There's lions there. Alright, subtitled movies? What do you mean by subtitled movies? Okay. Um. Alright, so let's move on to a different category. Internet arcade. Oh, I remember Tetris. Of course. Sonic the Hedgehog 2 on Mega Play. Oh man, that's awesome. There's Pac-Man Club. Oh man, root beer. Wait, isn't that the one that you serve root beer? Dragon Ball Z? Galaga 88, 1988, I think. Space Invaders. No idea about Tail to Nose. More Tetris. Oh, another Tetris. Spinball Action. And there's like 1942. I think it's like... Okay, that's probably a game. Street Fighter. Never played Street Fighter, but I heard of it. Sonic the Hedgehog. Sonic the Hedgehog. Super Pang. Moon Patrol. A lot of fantasy stuff. A lot of science fiction stuff that will come into fruition. Man, this is so cool. Man, this is what I mean for that the Internet Archive is a magical place. I know I've been like speeding through it. Oh, it's a bunch of... So I'm in the television archive. and it's full of news. That's the last thing I want. News. Like, seriously, where's some. Oh my god. No. No, I don't want news. Okay. I don't want news. I was expecting TV shows and stuff, but I guess not. Okay, so Internet Archive books. See what they have. Webster New Collegiate Dictionary, The Toy Shop, Encyclopedia, American Revolution, Encyclopedia in Universal, History. Okay, let's find something else. Let's change the subject. There has to be some like science-ish book. Loading filters. Wait, why is this? There. Oh, okay. Okay, now I have to wait. I mean, the Internet Archive is really good. The only thing I wish Internet Archive would do is for TV shows and books, please have some diversity in subjects. Don't just be limited to history and stuff like that. Because not everybody's interested in history. There's people that are interested in science. There's people that are interested in arts, even liberal arts, even religion, even philosophy, even medicine. So there's other people that are interested in medicine. So let's do science and mathematics. Let's apply my filter. And class and culture. Wait, what? Wait. I'm saying science, not... Oh my god. No. No. Oh my god. See what I have to deal with? Okay, so genetic algorithms. Finally, something that is more science-ish. I don't care about political science. Oh my god. Alright, loading filters. That's gonna take some time. Alright. Well, they have magic. I just hope it's not political. It's not like historical magic. Oh, the history of magic. I just actually want to see like magic fiction. I'm pretty. I wonder if they're gonna show like Magic the Gathering stuff. Apply my filter. Truth in mathematics. Mathematical mosaic. Advanced engineering mathematics. Real world algebra. And I have magic between us. No idea what that is. Okay. Magic cubes. Number activities. Mathematics. Discrete mathematics. Alright. So let's do another filter. Just one more and I'll wrap this up. Okay, so let's take out magic. There should be... Well, what's number 2? Graphic novels. Ethics. Christmas. Okay. It's a lot of stuff. Okay. Let's search collection. Okay, so it's reloading. Oh, they have SAT. So it's like... Alright. Let's put in programming. Because it's relevant to this channel. History of programming languages. Oh, that's really cool. Want to learn the history? I mean, you could borrow this book. I mean, it's not going away despite the lawsuit and federal judges ruled against Internet Archive. You can still borrow the book. Um, Linear programming with MATLAB. Pretty cool. It's really, really cool. I'm not gonna lie. Oriented program in C++, visual programming, Perl. If you want to get old school, it's like an old school version of PHP. Like PHP is based off of Perl. If you guys don't know what PHP is, it's a web programming language that allows you more flexibility in terms of data and like database more than JavaScript. JavaScript allows interactivity. PHP is more towards database. And this is from my understanding and from what I've seen, and from what I've seen in Wikipedia and all that. If you have differing information, please kindly put in the comments below. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay. Alright, so let's go back to Internet Archive. Let's wrap things up. So yeah. It's easy for you to get into this rabbit hole. And that's the beautiful thing about Internet Archive. You could actually borrow books from there. You could actually get different CD-ROMs, and you could actually play old games. You could even go to different websites from what I know. I haven't like looked at where to go, but I know you could go back in time and see the old version of each websites. But it's a never-ending scrolling. I don't know if they actually have the apps for it on your phone, but who cares? Let's look at web. Actually, explore the collection. Oh, that's pretty cool. They have collection sites. Sites. Let's look at sites. You have different kinds of subjects, and that's pretty cool. That's really, really cool. Say streaming music. New archive it. Wayback Machine prototype. That's pretty cool. They have different numbers to show different sites. That's pretty cool. Alright, so there you have it. That's the Internet Archive. I can guarantee you will love it. It's a really nice website. It's a magical place to go in and like dive into old nostalgic stuff as well as new stuff, and look for new websites and websites you never even visit and you never even thought that exists. And I mean, I really love Internet Archive. Again, the only thing I have against them is that they need to diversify the subject instead of always bringing history. Not everybody is going to be into history. There's people from different backgrounds and different interests, so they need to diversify. That's all. But I wish Internet Archive luck, and I hope they win the case, the lawsuit they're filing, and I hope Internet Archive and even digital libraries in general are preserved. I mean, it's not like you can't destroy digital library and like digital records. The internet is there for a reason, and it's not going to go away anytime soon. All right, so thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, hit the like button and comment. Let me know what you think of this video. And also share this video with other people who want to know what Internet Archive looks like. And see somebody like me explore it. All right, so I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye.